Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today I am doing a flip through of my design team project for Lynn over at Lynn's Crafty Life Digis. And the digital kit that I used is called My Pretty Dress. So we're going to get right into this. So this cover here I did not make. It is a soft cover fabric journal cover with the book corners on it, and it was so pretty I really didn't want to do anything with it. But these roses, the kit has a lot of roses in it, so I thought that that would work out perfect. Does have an eyelet here, lots of crinkled seam binding for the closure, so if anyone or ever who uses this journal has lots of room to expand. So when you open it up, we do have a pocket here in the front, and we have a little scrappy pad there, and then just a journaling card from the kit in that front pocket. It's an absolutely beautiful kit. I thought about putting lace in it, and then I decided not. I kept going back and forth. And on these pages, I did take 2 of her pages. Instead of printing on front and back, I took 2 of her pages, glued it down the middle, and then sewed around it. And in some spots, I did do like decorative stitching on there. I thought that would be pretty. So then here we just have an avocado dyed envelope. And in here is just some extra little pieces of ephemera that was in the kit that I did not use. And then we turn this over and we have a red dyed glassine bag here. And then here we have a journaling card, and this is just tucked into an avocado dyed envelope. I did not close it up because that could be opened all the way up and journaled on. So that goes in there, and then this just clips on the side here. And then we have lots of dyed paper throughout. So this is avocado dyed. And then we have a beautiful fabric flip here that came with the cover. Absolutely beautiful. See how well it goes with this kit. Gorgeous kit. This one I did a small zigzag stitch around. And then we have some red dyed paper there. Right here is a CD envelope that actually flips up. And then we have a little journaling card inside. You can write on the back. And this journaling card I had actually made with decoupage and napkin on a music sheet. And then I just covered it with avocado dyed paper. So, yep, that slips back in there that way so you can see it through the window. If I could get it in there straight. There we go. So there's that, and then a beautiful page from the kit. Here I did a straight stitch, but then went into a big zigzag in certain places around this one. And some more avocado dyed paper with stencils. Little pocket here that came with the kit, and a tag and some crinkled seam binding at the top. Look at how beautiful that is. Absolutely love this kit. Okay, this right here is a glassine bag. And in here we have a tag, oversized tag stuck in there. And I do believe this is avocado dyed glassine bag. And then here is just a paper clip with some crinkled pink crinkled seam binding. Say that 10 times fast. And a journaling card from the kit in there. This one was already closed up because you guys know a lot of times when you dye, the glue will come undone. So that one was still glued, so I left it. The other one came unglued itself. We've got some sparkly dyed paper here. And then on here we have one of these little window envelopes and a piece of avocado dyed, and then just a small piece from the kit there to show through the window. The little dress, so I thought that was cute. So that is just paper clip there. Page from the kit. And this is a signature journal red dolly there. Such a beautiful kit. Then we have a square dyed, red dyed dolly there. Gorgeous avocado paper there. So pretty. This right here is an avocado dyed envelope that has been stenciled. So here I just put a journaling card. I did not glue the side of this. I just took the envelope and put it in here upside down so that the flap could work as a pocket. But I decided not to glue it, so I just put this little seam binding here on a paper clip to hold that shut. And then we had made this journaling card with a tab there to go into the side pocket of the envelope. Just take that off so I can get this back in here quicker. And then we can just slide it back on. So that kind of holds this down, plus it holds your thing in place. More red dyed paper. Then here we have a glassine bag that I have decoupaged a rose onto. And this right here, guys, is just from one of the pads with the magnets on it that you stick on your refrigerator to make like your grocery list. And I just put a sheet of that in there since it had the roses on it. Another page from the kit. Here is the middle of the signature. Then over here we have a little a library pocket here. I decoupaged this butterfly here because the colors worked. And then this right here is actually one of the library cards. And I just took a piece of vellum and stapled a piece of polka dot sari silk at the top. So that is that journaling card in there. And then here is the other side of that envelope. Same thing, just a couple of journaling cards in there with a well-tailed tab on the corner. And another paper clip with some crinkled seam binding. Other side of that dolly. Did some decorative stitching here on this. The regular round dolly. More decorative stitching there. Then here we have that red sparkly dyed paper with another paper clip with the seam binding. And this is an avocado dyed, love the way that sounds, envelope. And I just put a journaling card in there from the kit. And then just put it over and put the paper clip on it. This is just the other side of that glassine bag. Just didn't do anything with it. You could extend that though, so. And then a pocket from the kit and a tag there with just some, I believe that's sari silk at the top on avocado dyed paper. Another pocket from the kit here and a tag again with that red sari silk at the top. More stitching around there. Another pocket here, and I just took an index card and put a small, excuse me, this is avocado dyed. Put a tab at the top, a small avocado dyed dolly, and then one of the little elements from the ephemera. It's the other side of that red bag. And then here in the back pocket, we have another little scrappy pad back here. You can put it in there either way. I think I put it in there that way because I like the dress. And a journaling card from the kit, and then the back. So this, guys, is my design team project for Lynn over at Lynn's Crafty Life Digis. She does have two shops. One where she has physical items, but her digitals are all in Lynn's Crafty Life Digis. So please go over and check her out. All of her information will be in the description box below. Alright, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.